Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to add name at bottom of email. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to your email provider. Once you're here, select the gear icon on the upper right. Then the settings window will appear. In here, select Compose and Reply. In here, give your signature a name. And then in here, just input the details that you want over at your name at the bottom of every email that you send. Then you can customize it over here. Then you can also select default signatures. You can use this for new messages or for replies or forwards. On the bottom corner, set these settings according to your preference. Once you are now satisfied with everything, select Save. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.